So taking a break from the Land Cruiser, here's this Mazda Protege, and the shock broke through, snapped through, rusted through. And at first I really thought the whole body of the car rusted through. But I came up here and looked, and really just the shock or strut mount, top mount rusted through. So I'm going to take this thing apart and see exactly what it needs. I'm pretty sure the shock needs to be replaced along with the top mount, but I think that might be it. I told him, like, ideally you want to do both shocks, but he was like, nah, screw it. And I was like, cool, dude, I'll rock with that. I don't care. But he's been riding around with it for a while, and you can already tell the difference in tread on both sides of the tire. So let me take this wheel off. Oh, God. Sway bar link needs to come off. Brake line needs to just be popped off and away from the strut itself. And then right here, 2 nuts and bolts. Alright, I'm not looking forward to this. Sway bar. I mean, these are never fun. They're never fun. Shit, I mean, why not just cut it off? Oh, I didn't bring a hammer. Take this brake bracket off. Flathead. Oh, what's holding you in? Nothing. All right. Get a hammer, stupid. Come all the way through. Come on. I know you want to. It doesn't want to, because right now, once I do this, this whole thing's gonna fall down. Alright, so, I mean, the spring is good. This, on the other hand, this shock is toast. This shock is absolutely toast. So, we need a new shock, new top mount, and we should be back in business. It's embarrassing how hard I just had to struggle with that. Like, I don't think I've ever struggled with a shock mount that much in my life. These are normally the easy ones. Look at this. I'm ripping. God. I already ripped them on doing this thing. These are my favorite shorts. You shouldn't wear your favorite shorts when you're working on a car. That's for sure. Completely. Just absolutely rusted through. So, yeah, new shock, new top mount. We'll keep the spring. We'll just compress it and do all that fun stuff. So, I got my parts. Now, why wouldn't the new shock come with a rubber? That's so annoying. What the fuck? Didn't come with the rubber bottom piece or this part. It's really annoying because those are like really cheap parts. So why wouldn't you just include them? Okay. They say not to use an impact gun on this. I always have, and I've never had a problem. Maybe I shouldn't have said that. Oh, rats. Oh, I gotta do that by hand now. Because I don't have enough room. That sucks. Sweet, look at that. Alright, new spring. Cool. What's wrong with that? You don't need that. Alright, before I put the shock back in, I need to take care of where the old sway bar link used to sit. Gonna try just vice grips and an impact gun and see what happens first. Wow. That's crazy. There we go. Cool. There we go, okay. Got it. Now that I got that top part in, as I jack up on this, that will line up better and better and better. So let's see. Shouldn't be too much more. Yeah, that looks pretty good right there. Let's try it. Wow. I know that the nuts were originally on this side, but that's okay. It don't matter. I ain't going anywhere. Solid.